Morning, Aberdeen. Welcome to Hillside News. The weather's been awful now, and there's a couple of news reports coming in. Over to Emily, outside Hillside Primary. What's going on, Emily?
After 12 long days of warsailing, I'm outside Hillside Primary School to interview two brave P7 loons in our classmates' experience. Have you survived?
So first I had to calm everybody down and work out an escape plan. Then we went downstairs and raided the fridge of Pepsi ice cream. Then we got pillows for the staff room and blankets for the nursery.
Then we grabbed fold-up chairs and broke the windows to get out. And then we all sat down and had a bottle of Pepsi.
And there you have it, folks. A tremendous tale of twa brave, courageous loons being trapped in scale. Back to you, Grace.
Oh, Mick. Cheers, Emily. Fit today. Now, another tragic report has come in. James is out to have the sledge and belay by the porter. What happened, James?
We climbed her base leggies, crashing into a tree. Kim, you were at the scene. What did you see?
I was on my phone seeing Ariana dinging down the brae, and she wasn't strapped in. She went fleeing into a muckle tree.
What did you do?
I called 112, and then I went over to see if she was alright.
Oh, thank you, Kim. Ariana, what are your next steps?
I have the only next steps, but I can take sledging.
Wait, what? Anyways, what caused the tragedy?
It was me. I forgot to strap myself in.
That's all we have today. See you later.
That pure quine. Hope she gets better soon. Next, we have yet another report. So what's going on?
It's the Alpha Chile Beach catastrophe. Who we knew is Jeff, a 9-year-old loon, with his brother and sister, Kev, a 5-year-old boy, and Lulu, a 3-year-old girl. It's must have been hard on you guys.
It was quite fun actually.
I drank a big Queen's dram, a slushy, and we all got a lollipop.
Because we are in Aberdeen, it was not surprising.
What did you guys do?
We got a snake castle for ice. Aye, we did.
We also got deck and chairs for
Prize!
dinner. Grass yourself, Kev.
I've got a snack at bar.
Back to you, James, for a weather report for a Don's game of the year.
Cheers, Crumble. I will be ding and doing as usual for the game. Cheerio.
Oh me, I hope they didn't freeze to death. Finally, our last report today. Fit to carry on at the bypasses. The weather's getting worse by the minute. So Kevin, fits up in the A90 today.
As if this day could get any worse, Snae up to my doubt has caused traffic around Scotland. We have an Aberdonian here to blather about the impact it brought on him.
Well, right now the sna's melting into ice, which is causing cars to ding down.
Brawley, that's tragic. Hopefully you have a puckle of iron brew.
An old wife just far down found walking her dog. Breaking news, a weird bairn just slid into the River Dee and we're waiting for an update. We'll be back after the break.
Come today to our Doontown Holiday Scotland shop to get your tickets for your excellent and improved bus tour around our bonny Scotland. £5 a week, it's worth it. Get into our website for more information. Cole, what did you see? She went over the fence, top so teeny, down into the River Dee.
We have an update about the River Lassie. I'll give you over to Jessica Faz at the place.
Bailey, what did you see? I don't know, can. Fitz Billy D. Billy, you're looking off a cow and wheat. What happened?
I want my ma.
Okay, that's all we have for the day. Back to you.
Well, that's for Hillside News Desk. See you at the morn, and we hope the weather gets better. Good night.